Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make matching phone covers. Look how we are going to decorate these phone covers. Put white paint on it. After that we are making two partitions. We are making a beautiful drawing here. We are drawing mountains and then we are going to draw a beautiful sea. Then we are making a couple sitting on a scooter like this, and how beautiful this idea is looking of same painting on two different phone covers. And look, it is ready. We're going to cut this shoe like this and make a slip-on shoe like this, and look, it is ready. Now decorate these white shoes. We are putting different colors on the top of the shoe. Spread it like this using brush, and look, it is ready. We are going to draw a tree on both of the shoe like this, and we are going to add a swing and a boy and a girl, and look, it is ready. After that we are going to decorate it further. We are putting jute on the corners of the shoe like this. We are also putting it on the front side, and then we are covering the color inside as well like this. Add more details, and look, your pretty shoes are ready. You can make more such shoes. Thank you so much for watching this video.